Hi LG, show me the workout video on TV. Let's get started.
Come to me, baby. Can't stop loving.
Oh, hi LG, turn the TV off. Keep your cool, Jess. And you, buddy, keep it moving.
Come down to go camping.
Camping. In this weather. Why not? It might just be passing rain. I'm sure Matt's checked the weather already.
Where are we going?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Iceland.
Dad, is everything okay? What?
Hi, LG. Dim the lights. Ta-da! Look at that. Check it out.
Oh my, you did this all by yourself? There's nothing more in the world I could ask for right now. Why? I'm with my family, safe at home, on the craziest camping trip. What more could you want?